Hello, my name is Lloyd. I look after Console Connect application support, and my job is to help our users with anything relating to our platform. Today I will be showcasing how to connect to Huawei Cloud with Console Connect, taking advantage of a better, more secure and smarter way to get to your cloud instance. From the dashboard, go to Menu, then click on Connections and Add New. Make sure Clouds and Everything as a Service is selected. Then click on Huawei Cloud. Over here, select your port. Over here, click on Pay As You Go. Then Next. Over here, select your Huawei Cloud location. By default, the source VLAN is auto-assigned. Next, you can choose your rate limit. Then select your class of service if it's available. Then choose your duration and if you want to continue the service after the contract expires. Then click on Next. Then you need to select your payment method and agree to the terms. Then click on Connect. Console will begin to provision the Layer 2 service over our global Layer 2 network. This will take a few minutes. After a few minutes, please refresh your page. You will see your connection is active. And if you look at the Summary tab, you will see the source VLAN ID details. You will also see the duration details that indicate the start billing date. Next, we need to head to Huawei portal and retrieve your partner account ID. In Huawei portal, go to your name in the top right. Then select My Credentials. Then select your project ID that correlates to the region you have interest in. Next, you need to send your project ID to console support by method of email so that they can complete the service provisioning. Once support completed the service provisioning, you can find your hosted connection under Networking and Direct Connect. Look under Connections, and here you will see your Huawei connection delivered by Console Connect. The next part is to complete the virtual gateway and virtual interface to bring up the BGP session. That will be completed by the customer. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, please reach out to us on support@consoleconnect.com. I would be more than happy to help you further.